We need your support. Click the like buttons below. Now onto the video. Welcome to readtheticker.com. Today we're doing a red screen video, which is an instructional video to members and to possible future members who want to see how things are done. And one of the things we like to do, one of the things I like to do, is hunt for possible building Wyckoff accumulations. This is trades that could be, becoming markups in 3, 6, 9, 12 months. And some of the things I look at, I like to look at different asset classes, channels. What else have I got? Rotations, and just see what's going on. So first thing I like to do is I like to go look at the big channels, and I like big channels as channels drawn on important support and resistance levels, not from the extreme price to extreme low. We're looking at demand and supply power, and where the bids are coming in and where the asks coming in. For example, here I've got my built-up channels. RTT Plus members can do this as well. They've got availability to it. And for example, obviously you all know about Bitcoin, which is moving now. It's been a favourite accumulation of ours. Here's this chart's posted on the main blog. Here we have the birthing channel, which is the green channel, and the more mature channel, which is the blue channel. As we can see here, we've got accumulations in here, and it's just starting to do the markup there. And we have a little bit of a close-up. I go into the channel here to see what's going on, a level, and because this is a pure accumulation there, so we got markup there, and we may expect it to go a little bit higher, break the 100k, tickle the 150k, I would expect. But no, obviously we've got pausing patterns or continuation patterns to go through. Let's see what happens. Other things I look at. I'm just browsing all these things that I find attractive, and I see what's going on. Another one which I can't deny, which looks very attractive, which I'm already involved in, is silver. Look at silver here. Look at that nice big fat channel. As you can see, the channel's built on the support and resistance levels, not extreme prices. And as you can see here, look at the push on this line here, and that's just starting this continuation pattern here. So silver's looking very attractive. We go to the next close-up look at this, and as you can see there, we've got some nice channel work coming along there. So can't deny silver's bullish. And if I go back to RTT groups, this is in the RTT Plus area, preset charts. I might look into. Oh wait a minute! I might go to. That's not what I might do. What am I going to? Might go to RTT swing. Now lots of different types of symbols listed here, and based by the industry group or what have you. Got 3 chart types here, so I can actually just sort those. I want to sort them from the worst to the best, because the worst means basically they're down. I like something that's down, it's going to accumulate, so I'm going to sort that the other way around. So I actually had them the best to the worst. I want the worst to the best. So if I want worst to the best, that means they're down 20-30%. That's what I want. I want to see how they're improving. Accumulations that happen after a sell-off. The best ones do anyway. So now I can pop up these possible chart types. I'll pop this one up here. This is just a quick flash. And I want to see basing. I want to see little accumulation swings. Here we got here's the monthly chart for 6 years of XLE, which is obviously it's building up some sort of pattern here. This is a minor accumulation. Doesn't mean it's worked, but there was definitely some action here. That was interesting. All right. Small trade, 30 to 45. There's probably going to be more action as this goes sideways and down. But I'm just sort of saying, it might creep up to 50, but it'll probably go down again once these markets adjust at the end of the year. All services, these are all down. All services to follow the more energy sector stuff. We're getting to some stocks here now. Okay, that's all interesting. Scroll down here. I'm looking for. Here's one here. Philip Morris. Nothing that looks alright, but I'll study that for further use. I might tag that. Tagged Philip Morris. A nice little base pattern here. Testing the support. I'll go and look at the price and volume pattern, see if I can find some fundamentals on it. What's this? Telecom shares. Not a great fan of telecom shares, but look at that. The euro, we've been following the euro. As you can see, it's working through a sideways pattern here. But here we had a nice test of the previous low, some strength coming in here, so that's working higher. We know about that. Obviously, it's the short US dollar. Copper's already done its work. This is a nice base pattern here. You see how there's a nice sideways pattern here. We've done a bit of a test, bit of a shakeout here, and a big strong rally. So this was all workable. That was a nice little accumulation going on there. Royal gold is working up. The freight index really surprised me. That was really good. The recovery after the vaccine. So we've seen retail. That was a nice base pattern in retail. So you could have done well there. The other way I like to do it is I will go to those who have got RTT Plus and charting. I go to swing, and I would drop down here and filter by say whatever category I like. I can go to the asset class. This is basic asset class. I can select all different types, and I would find let's just look at metals. I'll just select one of these chart types. This one here was the one you've just seen, so let's keep it simple. And for example, all the metals involved in raw industry just gone nuts. Iridium, rhodium, look at them, just gone nuts. Oh, that one is good. Obviously, aluminium, plenty of aluminium in the world. Gold, we know about the accumulation there. Copper, we know about that. Nickel, even nickel's going up. I mean, that's inflationary worries. These are raw materials going into the manufacturing production lines. Palladium, we know about. Platinum and everything, that's beginning to move. That's a nice little Wyckoff pattern there. Look at that. Shakeout after the COVID recovery. Look at that. That's nice. Oops. So, what's that? Tin. Even tin's going up. That's a bit of inflation creep, isn't it? This one's zinc. So you scan through different asset classes, sort them as you wish, filter them as you wish. I'm filtering on half month. You can filter on week or day, what have you. I'll get the worst first. The worst first, because best accumulations happen after a drop of 30%, because this means that the shorts have had a chance to unwind. I mean, buy back their positions because they've profited. That means the shorts have cleared their positions, and accumulation, they can acquire that. So you can go through there and scan by country. Or you can choose any one of these charts. These are all preset things. You can design what you want. Right. South Africa. Yeah, more of a. I'm just scrolling quickly. I'm looking at the left-hand side. I'm looking to find a nice little base, maybe after a shakeout. Okay, the United Kingdom looks attractive. India's already moved. So for example, look at India. India's gone there, nice base, baking up there. But if we get a pushback to 25, which is a pushback to the breakout, or pushback to the creek, then that would be attractive. Australians, working. Germany. Now Germany represents the world economy. It's not as because it's pretty much manufacturing, and it's up, but it's not showing brilliant form, is it? Russia. I mean, Russia's even that's done well. Anyway, that's how you do it. You scan for nice little base patterns, something that hasn't yet made a markup. It may build up for 3 to 6 months. You watch it, find places to accumulate, and that's how you can profit with Wyckoff accumulations. Thanks for watching.